Are you curious about the secret to living a vibrant and energetic life? Balanced Meals for Vibrant Living is your roadmap to understanding the pivotal role that balanced nutrition plays in achieving vitality and well-being. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the concept of balanced meals, their benefits, and how they can be your key to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. 1. The quest for vibrancy. In the opening paragraph, introduce the universal desire for a vibrant and energetic life. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide will reveal the nutritional foundation required to achieve it. 2. Defining balanced meals. Begin by explaining what balanced meals are, a combination of essential nutrients in the right proportions. Describe how they provide the body with the necessary fuel for optimal function. 3. Benefits of balanced nutrition. Delve into the numerous benefits of balanced meals, both for physical and mental health. Discuss how they can lead to sustained energy, improved concentration, and overall well-being. 4. The plate method. Share insights into practical approaches for creating balanced meals, such as the plate method, which involves dividing your plate into portions for different food groups. 5. Key nutrients. Discuss the significance of key nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals in balanced nutrition. Explain their individual roles and sources. 6. Whole foods and fresh ingredients. Highlight the importance of choosing whole foods and fresh ingredients in meal preparation. Explore how this can lead to better nutrient absorption and overall health. 7. Eating mindfully. Address the practice of mindful eating in relation to balanced meals. Explain how it encourages you to savor the flavors and be more attuned to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 8. A lifetime of vibrant living. Conclude with the idea that balanced meals are not just about what you eat, but how you nourish your body. It's a lifelong commitment to feeling your best and enjoying a vibrant and fulfilling life. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of balanced meals for vibrant living but will also be motivated to make healthier dietary choices that support their overall well-being. Balanced Meals for Vibrant Living is a journey into the world of conscious nutrition, where each meal becomes an opportunity to fuel your body and elevate your quality of life. So, let's embark on this journey to uncover the remarkable advantages that come with embracing balanced meals for vibrant living. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.